Hello everybody, in this video I'll be unboxing and testing the steering wheel desk. So normally I'm waiting for my son to finish his tutoring, so I'll wait in the car and use my laptop. So I decided to use this steering wheel desk to support the laptop. This is the one where it just hooks on the steering wheel. It's made out of plastic. It's got two sides. One allows you to put a cup holder there on one side, and the other side is just to put a laptop or something that is very flat. So this is the one where you can put a cup. This one's pretty flat, and it's got a pen holder on the side here. So let's see how this works and how to use it in the car. So this is how I connect it. So start from the bottom, put it at an angle, make sure the two ends hook into the bottom of the steering wheel just like this. And if it's angled correctly, it will support the device or whatever you put on top. So that's how it is. That's how it works. It does work. I put a laptop on there and it's pretty stable. Hope this video helped.